I'll show you them at the end. Let's look inside the magazine first. Carefully remove the covers from your magazine and use your stickers to fill the scene. Here are the stickers. If I move the pages, you can see the other side. Let's crusher. Let's put on some of the stickers. Let's bring back the pages. Welcome. Learn with Blaze. In this issue, got the pages for the activities. Colouring in. Rev up. He can colour AJ, Blaze, Stripes, and Gabby. And they're all playing Truckball. Coloured in by. Here you write your name. Truckball Team Up. This is a story from Series 1. Circle the hat that matches the referees. Let's look at the hat. That's Starla's. That's AJ's. That's more of a helmet than a hat. It's this one. Colour the bats to complete the sequence. Blue, yellow, blue. What comes next? Yellow. And then blue. And then yellow. Trace over the numbers to count Blaze's teammates. Stella, it's number 1. Zeg, number 2. And Devington, number 3. Cross out the character who is not in Blaze's team. Let's see, Starla, no, Devington, no. It's Pickle. Trace the trail to lead the ball to the net. Story quizzing. You have to circle the answers that were in the story. Colouring in. Zoom. You can colour Stella with a Truckball and AJ driving Blaze. Coloured in by, again you write your name. Truckball Trail. Use the key to help Blaze guide the ball through the trail to the goal. The key is left, right, up, down. Pit stop puzzles. How many Truckballs can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Truckballs. Circle the odd one out. This one's smaller than the others. How many of Blaze's teammates can you count? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. How many of Crush's teammates can you count? 1, 2. 2. Look closely at the scoreboard. How many goals has Blaze team scored? 23. Trace the trails to see which one leads the ball to the net. Trail B leads the ball to the net. Then you've got a poster. Has Devington, Zeg, Stripes, and Blaze with a Truckball. Let's play Truckball. Sporty search. Colour a star as you find each sport on the grid. Tennis, hockey, rugby, golf, cricket, football, swimming, and basketball. You have to pause the video. How many of each ball can you count on the grid? First, footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 footballs. Basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 basketballs. And tennis balls. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tennis balls. Truckball game. Make a Truckball game to play with a friend. Have the bat template, the hoop blackboard, and the bat badges. Got them here. One is blue for Team Crusher, and one is red for Team Blaze. You also have the hoop. Have the blackboard, it says Let's Blaze. Here's the hoop, where you put your ball through. I've got this one here. The game is, you have to try and get it in the hoop. Yay, I won! Stunt Mania. This is another story from Series 1. Read the story with a grown-up, and when you see a picture, say the word out loud. Blaze, AJ, Crusher, and Darrington. Sporty Spot. The monster machines are hiding behind some Truckballs. Can you work out who is behind each Truckball? Write the number of the matching truck in each star. So Darrington. Number 2. Starla. Number 4. Zeg. Number 3. Stripes. Number 5. Crusher. Number 1. Blaze. Number 7. And Pickle. Number 6. Learn your letters. Zeg is learning about the letter F. Start at the dot and follow the arrows. Have big F and small f. Use the letter F to complete these words: flower, football, fish, fencing, fan, and grapefruit. Colour in the stars with the letter F on them. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars with the letter F on them. Which of these items start with F? Tick them. Flower, flag, and fish. Colour by numbers. Use the key to colour the pictures. Have Darrington and Blaze. Darrington has stars on his tyres. Blaze has a flame on his side. Team Cupcakes. Follow the recipe to make some tasty treats. Got them here. And here are the cake toppers: Starla, Zeg, Crusher, and Blaze. Got a picture of them here. Spot the difference. Colour a star as you spot each difference in picture B. You can pause the video. Here are the stars. And that is the end of the magazine. Now I'll show you the free race car playset. Here's everything you get. First I'll show you the cars. Have red here, number 1. Says zoom. And the wheels move. Here's yellow, number 2. Says vroom. Again, the wheels move. And here's green, number 3. Rev up. And here you have launchers. 1 for each car. It'll say yo. Have to put them on the back. Have to try and launch them. Right here. Whoa! Let's do the yellow one. And launch. Whoa! And the last one. Ready, steady, go! Boom! It's the winner! And there is the free race car playset. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to ask for your help. Please help me pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And for the ones who has already subscribed to my channel, a massive thank you. See you next time. Bye.